With 2 clicks, we can strip away every single ad and turn any article into a clean, distraction-free audiobook that reads itself to you. Let me show you how to set up Google Chrome's built-in reading mode. All you have to do is right-click anywhere on the web page and select Open in Reading Mode. Look at that. All the ads, sidebars, and trackers are completely gone, leaving you with just the pure text. Now for the best part, the auto narration. At the top of the reading panel, just click this play button. Chrome will immediately start reading the article aloud using natural human-sounding AI voices.
Early previews have looked promising for this clash between legendary characters, and the game also looks like a celebration of the franchise as it prepares to enter a new era.
Notice how it automatically highlights the exact word and sentence it is reading. This is a massive game changer if you are studying, multitasking, or just want to sit back and listen to a long blog post while doing chores around the house. You are not stuck with a boring robotic voice either. If you click the settings icon up here, you can change the voice to different natural accents and flows. You can also adjust the playback speed right next to it. I usually like to bump mine up to 1.2 speed to scan through articles much faster. You can also customize the font size, font style, and background color, like turning on a dark mode or a warm sepia tone to make it perfectly comfortable for your eyes. Here is a quick pro tip so you don't have to right-click every single time. This locks a permanent reading mode icon right to your top Google Chrome toolbar. Now, whenever you land on a messy website, you just tap that book icon and you are good to go. If this hidden Chrome feature just saved your sanity, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.